Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. I want to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Labor Day. Did you know that the federal bill establishing Labor Day was signed into law in 1894 by President Grover Cleveland? The first federal holidays, New Year's Day, Independence Day, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas Day, were established by Congress in 1870. In 1888, Decoration Day was added, and we know it today as Memorial Day. Armistice Day, now called Veterans Day, was made a federal holiday in 1938. I'm pleased to announce additional flight and schedule enhancements are coming to the Prescott Regional Airport next month. An additional United Express flight, operated by SkyWest Airlines, will soon be available between Prescott Regional Airport and Denver International Airport. Starting October 26th, air travelers in northern Arizona will have two daily options to connect to Denver and the world through United's Denver hub, in addition to the daily flight to United's hub at Los Angeles International Airport. The enhanced schedule will include both a morning and an early evening option to Denver, plus the flight to Los Angeles will soon connect to more flight options by departing earlier in the day around noontime. Each of the flights to and from Prescott Regional Airport will be on board Bombardier CRJ-200 50-seat regional jet aircraft. These service improvements are indicative of the strong demand in Prescott and the surrounding region. Airlines have many requests and an abundance of opportunities to serve smaller communities. The fact that they are allocating more of their aircraft and their crew resources to Prescott Regional Airport is a testament to the partnership and collaboration with SkyWest and United Airlines. Our Public Works Department has commenced with the fiscal year 26 Pavement Preservation Project, which includes pavement maintenance and preservation operations for two connected projects along sections of Prescott Lakes Parkway and SR 89. Prescott Lakes Parkway from SR 89 to SR 69 is scheduled as follows. September 3rd and 4th is scheduled for pavement repairs. September 8th through September 18th, there will be a two-step pavement preservation application, and from September 24th through September 26th, raising utility covers to the finished road grade and roadway striping will occur. The schedule for SR 89 from Yawpay Connector to the Willow Lake Road roundabout will also begin this week. Tuesday, September 2nd to Friday, September 5th, pavement repairs will take place. September 15th to October 3rd, asphalt milling and paving operations will occur. For both projects, additional scheduling information will be provided closer to the dates of occurrence. This work is highly weather dependent and subject to change. During this project, you can expect crews working from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. with night work performed as needed, flagging operations and temporary traffic controls, temporary street closures, lane restrictions, reduced speeds, construction noise, travel delays, and crews will work to maintain business access as best as possible. The 2025 Veterans Day Parade will be held in downtown Prescott on Tuesday, November 11th, 2025 at 11 a.m. This year's parade theme is Celebrating America's Patriots, 250 years of military service. The City of Prescott is inviting parade entrants from the community to compete in 7 categories this year. Each entry category will have a first place winner, and all entries will compete for a Best Overall Award. The categories are nonprofit organizations, fraternal organizations/military organizations, motorized groups, music, marching units, hospital entries by veterans, commercial/business. Participation in the parade is open to everyone and all are welcome. Individuals, businesses, organizations, and groups interested in participating in the parade are asked to return your entry form no later than October 20th, 2025. There's no fee to enter, and application forms and rules can be found on the city website. Tomorrow, Tuesday, September 2nd, the Council Subcommittee on Water Issues will meet at 9:30 a.m. in Council chambers. The Mayor's Veterans Commission meets Wednesday, September 3rd at the Grace Sparks Activity Center at 9 a.m. The Workforce Housing Committee will also meet on Wednesday in the Council chambers at 10 a.m. The Airport Advisory Committee will meet Thursday, September 4th at 2 p.m. in the old terminal building at the airport. Next Monday, September 8th, the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee meets at 9 a.m. in Council chambers. The fiscal year 26 citywide fee schedule adopted by City Council on May 27, 2025, introduced a new methodology that requires a different approach for setting airport hangar rates. The change replaces flat monthly rates with a tiered square foot rate structure, allowing rents to be adjusted based on hangar size and condition. These same square foot rates were used in calculating the monthly rates in the previously adopted fee schedule. However, this updated approach provides greater flexibility by tailoring monthly rents to the unique condition, rehabilitation status, and size of each additional hangar. The fee schedule revisions at the airport will be discussed and possibly adopted at the regularly scheduled City Council voting meeting next Tuesday, September 9th at 3 p.m. The new and increased fees and charges will be in effect 30 days after adoption by the Prescott City Council. I'm Mayor Philgood, and I'll update you again next week, but please remember that we are still under Stage 1 fire restrictions. So be very careful with any outdoor open flames and equipment that may generate a spark, which could lead to a wildfire. Help us all to have an uneventful wildfire season. Be fire wise. And thanks for watching.